In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Canva to Wix website. If you are trying to add a Canva design to your Wix site, this method is a practical way to do it. You will take the embed code from Canva, then place that code inside Wix, so your design appears directly on your page. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you have the correct page or the correct design you want to show on your website. Take a moment to double-check that the layout, colors, and elements look the way you want, because you will be embedding what you export from Canva. Next, click Share. This is where Canva provides options for publishing or allowing access to your design. After the Share panel opens, you will see tools and settings related to how others can view the design. Then, click Select All. This helps you highlight the full embed or share content that Canva is showing, so you can copy it without missing any part of the code. It also prevents partial copying, which can break the embed in Wix. After that, click Embed. This switches the view into the embedding option, where Canva provides the HTML code you need. This code is what tells Wix what to display on your site. Now click Copy. When you copy the embed code, it is stored in your clipboard. Keep your attention on the code section here, because the goal is to copy the complete embed snippet, not just a few characters. With the Canva code ready, open your Wix editor. You are now moving from designing to building your website. In Wix Editor, you will add an embed element and paste the Canva code into it. In the Wix Editor, click Add Elements Plus. This opens the element menu where you can choose different components for your page. Look for the embed-related category, since that is the one you need for bringing external content into Wix. Next, click Embed. This selects the embed functionality, which is designed for placing external content such as videos, forms, or in this case, Canva designs. You should now see embed options that let you choose how to add the code. Then click Embed Code. This is the option that allows you to paste raw HTML or embed snippets into your page. It matters because Canva provides embed code specifically meant to be placed into a site. After you select Embed Code, click Embed HTML. This step prepares the editor to accept an HTML paste. When the HTML field appears, you can insert the Canva code exactly where it belongs. Next, click Enter Code. This is where you will paste the HTML. Take a careful moment to ensure the code box is active, so the paste action will go into the correct place. Now, paste the Canva code. Since you already copied the code from Canva, you will insert it here without changing anything. Try to avoid editing the code, because even small changes can prevent the embed from working correctly. After pasting, click Apply. This confirms the embed and loads your Canva design into the Wix page. Depending on your site and page settings, it may take a moment to render, so do not rush away from the screen. Finally, review your page to make sure the design displays as expected. If the embed area shows the content correctly, you have successfully connected Canva to Wix. If anything looks off, return to the embed element and verify that the correct Canva code was pasted. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.